Meaning of decrypt.
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 Decrypt. Decrypt is the process of converting encoded or encrypted information back into its original form. It involves deciphering a secret code or transforming scrambled data into its original state using a decryption key or algorithm. The result of successful decryption is plain, readable information, which can be understood and processed by the recipient or software application. Decryption is often used in cybersecurity to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access, theft, or modification, and also in everyday communication channels that require secure transmission of messages, files, and other types of information.